As we grow older, our eyes encounter distinct challenges. Dry eyes, trouble seeing in dim lighting, and worries about conditions like macular degeneration become increasingly common. But here's the encouraging news. Scientific findings demonstrate that certain nutrients can play a beneficial role in maintaining ocular health as we advance in years. Today, we're examining 8 scientifically backed foods that investigators have studied for their potential advantages to vision wellness. These foods promote overall eye health but won't cure existing eye diseases. They're focused on prevention and general wellness, not healing vision problems. It's essential to always consult with your ophthalmologist or healthcare provider about vision concerns. This information is educational and not a replacement for professional medical guidance. Your eyes are remarkably complex organs that thrive with specific nutrients. The macula, which is the portion of your retina responsible for central vision, is particularly abundant in certain antioxidants that help shield it from oxidative damage. Scientific evidence from institutions like the National Eye Institute has identified key nutrients that may promote eye health, especially as we mature. These 8 foods are presented in no particular order because all are beneficial, and no single food is more crucial than the others. Let's begin with carrots and orange-colored vegetables. The traditional saying that carrots are beneficial for your eyes isn't merely folklore. Scientific findings demonstrate that carrots supply beta-carotene and other carotenoids that promote healthy visual function. You'll want to target approximately half a cup cooked or 1 cup raw daily. Here's an excellent budget tip. Carrots are among the most economical vegetables available throughout the year, making them accessible for everyone. Moving on, we have citrus fruits and bell peppers, which are abundant in vitamin C, a vital antioxidant for ocular health. Vitamin C promotes the health of blood vessels in the eyes and may help maintain healthy connective tissue. Try to obtain 1 medium orange or half a cup of bell pepper strips daily. If you're monitoring your expenses, frozen bell peppers function just as effectively as fresh ones and cost considerably less. Vibrant berries like blueberries, blackberries, and other deeply pigmented berries contain compounds called anthocyanins with antioxidant properties. I want to be completely transparent with you here. While the investigations on berries and vision health show promise, they're still evolving. They're included in this list because they're rich in antioxidants that benefit overall wellness. You'll want approximately half a cup fresh or 1/3 cup frozen daily. Frozen berries are often more economical and just as nutritious as fresh varieties. Eggs merit special attention because egg yolks are an outstanding source of lutein and zeaxanthin in a form your body readily absorbs. The lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs are more easily utilized by the body than from some plant sources, according to nutritional studies. Target 4 to 6 eggs per week, unless your physician advises differently. Eggs are an excellent, affordable protein source that accommodates most budgets. Fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel, contain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, which are found in high concentrations in the retina. The age-related eye disease studies, referred to as AREDS and AREDS2, along with other investigations, suggest omega-3s may promote overall ocular health and comfort. Try to incorporate 2 4-ounce servings per week. Here's a money-saving suggestion. Canned salmon and sardines are much more affordable than fresh fish and equally nutritious. Leafy green vegetables, including spinach, kale, and other dark leafy greens, contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that accumulate in the macula. These compounds help filter blue light. But here's a crucial clarification. While they provide some natural protection, they do not substitute for the need for UV protective sunglasses when you're outdoors. You should target 1 cup raw or half a cup cooked daily. Frozen spinach and kale are budget-friendly alternatives that work wonderfully in smoothies. Nuts and seeds, including almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds, provide vitamin E and beneficial fats. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may help protect eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. About 1 ounce daily is optimal. That's roughly 23 almonds, 14 walnut halves, or a quarter cup of sunflower seeds. You can reduce costs by purchasing these in bulk and storing them properly. Lastly, sweet potatoes are abundant in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. Studies indicate adequate vitamin A intake promotes normal visual function, and sweet potatoes provide this in a natural, easily absorbed form. 1 medium sweet potato 2 to 3 times per week is perfect. Sweet potato, so you want to eat to preserve your vision. Here's how to do it affordably. If you're over 60, target annual examinations. Don't wait for problems to develop. Prevention is always superior to treatment. Managing other health conditions like diabetes and hypertension is just as significant as eating well for your eyes. Following your physician's treatment plan for these conditions is just as important as eating well. So rather than focusing on expensive so-called superfoods, aim for a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. Frozen counts just as much as fresh. Include regular servings of affordable omega-3 sources like canned fish and walnuts. And don't forget protein. Eggs, legumes, and fish are all excellent sources. Choose whole grains and healthy fats, and limit processed foods, especially those high in sugar. Here's what a sample budget-friendly day might look like. Scrambled eggs with spinach for breakfast. A salad with canned salmon for